hold on to your hats because we're about to overload your senses with the incredible city of Toronto. From the heart-stopping views at the CN Tower to the mouth-watering treats at St. Lawrence Market, Toronto is a feast for the eyes, the ears, and most importantly, the taste buds. Ready to explore? Let's dive into the top places you can't miss in this dynamic Canadian city. CN Tower. Touch the clouds. Feeling adventurous? Toronto's iconic CN Tower is your chance to literally touch the clouds. Soar 553 meters above the city and experience breathtaking 360-degree views. Don't forget to grab a bite at the Revolving Restaurant for an unforgettable dining experience with $1 million view. Niagara Falls. A short day trip from Toronto awaits a natural wonder, the majestic Niagara Falls. Feel the spray on your face as you witness the power and beauty of one of the world's most incredible waterfalls. Take a boat tour for an up-close experience, or simply soak in the view from the observation platform. Royal Ontario Museum. A journey through time. Immerse yourself in history, art, and culture at the ROM, one of Canada's largest museums. Explore dinosaur skeletons, mummies from ancient Egypt, and stunning collections of Asian art. Toronto Islands. An urban escape. Need a break from the city bustle? Hop on a ferry to the Toronto Islands, a chain of islands offering beaches, parks, and a peaceful escape just minutes from downtown. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more exciting travel guides. If you're planning a trip to Toronto, this place is a must visit. Let me know in the comments if you've been there and what you loved most.